Whenever I travel, I always struggle with maintaining my hair, but let me show you how I smoothen my thick frizzy hair using my travel-friendly hair essentials. I always pack with me a styling tool, a heat protectant, a hair oil, a sea salt spray, and a shampoo. These are all travel-friendly, so they're easy to bring along. So this is my routine. I start with a shampoo to soften my hair, and after blow drying, I apply a heat protectant before using my Thymo Porta to smoothen my hair. And honestly, I love how light this tool is and how easy it is to use. I finish off with a hair oil, and then I'm all set to head out for the day. I really think it's worth the time during travels. And that's it! Another trip done with my trusted travel hair essentials. You can get them all at HairMNL. Hope these will help you out on your next travels!